one of the things that watching the Pramve film with you really brings home to me is the importance that if we can possibly get consent to film our interactions with
That's
somebody.
the adults.
Yes.
Over 18s.
Yes, it's so useful to actually watch the video, not just for our own practice and noticing what we missed and how we could have done it differently, but it gives other people the opportunity to watch that video and think, oh, actually, they've just seen something that I didn't notice. It gives us a really useful platform. It gives
us a way of focusing group learning of the support, people who support an individual.
Yeah.
This is important actually, not so that we all do the same thing, because each dyad, relationship is different.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so your actual interaction is not mine with my partner is not going to be the same as yours with my partner, because each of us relates differently.
I'm glad you've said that, because one of the questions I often get asked about consistency is almost like people think they've got to crack the code and we've got to do it exactly as you're doing it. The consistency here is that the circle of support around this person are all prepared to use intensive interaction, not that they're using it in exactly the same way, because as you say, we can't.
And also because it's a different time. So
yes.
They may be feeling like one thing at one time, and since one's trying to get tune into their feeling, it'll be a different conversation each time with a different person.
Yeah, but the consistency is that everybody is prepared to
Nevertheless, if there's something like an anxiety behaviour, you may not pick it up the first time.
Somebody else may.
And somebody else may. You need to see it on film. You need to be able to show people, look, when this happens, the person is getting distressed.
And we all need to understand that.
And we all need to understand that. We may respond to it slightly differently.
Yeah.
But because of the different bonding.
Yes.
But we have to recognise it.
Yeah. Yes. I think another important thing is to encourage parents to be brave enough to video themselves or each other using intensive interaction, and to share that with the other people in their child's life, because they're in a unique position sometimes to do that.
Well, there's sort of two reactions quite often. Some people really can't bear being filmed.
Yes.
And you just have to respect that. They really are camera shy.
And it's just going to get in the way of the interaction.
Right.
Yeah.
But it is really, really desperately important for the purposes of training and for getting people to understand the person that we're focused on a little bit more, because we can see a variety of situations. But some of them are absolutely delighted, because they'll say, if I can make real use of my child can make really a useful contribution to society.
Yes.
I'm absolutely delighted, not only for it to be within the immediate circle, but to use it for teaching. I've had that said to me a number of times.
Yes. The contribution my child
this is
able to make.
This is a real
fantastic
contribution to society. Yeah. So I think this is something one needs to get over without putting pressure on people.
Yeah.
But that it will mean that their child has something extraordinarily positive to offer outside their own immediate personal, immediate responses.